Hello everyone, I am Jessica Carol D'Souza, second PUC student of Government PU College, Coimbatore, Puttur. Now I am going to explain the resistivity of the material of a wire, which is the second experiment in our lab manual. The aim of this experiment is to determine the resistance of the material of a wire using a meter bridge and hence to calculate the resistivity of the material. This experiment is based on the principle of Wheatstone's network. Wheatstone's bridge is a circuit which is used to determine the value of unknown resistance. When the condition R divided by S is equal to L divided by 1 minus L is satisfied, no current flows through the galvanometer. Knowing the values of L and S, we can determine the value of R. The formulas used in this experiment are to find the resistance of the wire, R is equal to SL divided by 1 minus L, where S is the standard resistance and L is the balancing length of the wire in meters. And the second formula, to find the resistivity, rho is equal to pi r square r divided by capital L, where r is the resistance of the wire, small r is the radius of the wire, and L is the length of the experimental wire. The apparatus used in this experiment are a meter bridge, galvanometer, resistance box, plug key, and battery, and a jockey. Okay. Connections. The connections are, this is a battery, we use dry cell here. From the negative end of the, we use dry cell. From the negative end of the cell, it is connected to right end of the meter bridge through a plug key. And the positive end of the dry cell is connected to left side of the meter bridge. The experimental wire is connected in the left gap of the meter bridge. The positive end of the galvanometer is connected to the middle of the meter bridge, and the negative end of the galvanometer is connected to a jockey. The resistance box is connected to the right gap of the meter bridge. First, we have to check whether all the connections are made correctly. It is tight or not. Now, the jockey is held at 50 centimeter. To check the circuit if it is correct or not, we have to check the circuit for opposite deflections. First, we have to hold the jockey at 50 centimeter. Now we have to slightly move it. The galvanometer is showing 0 deflections. It means the circuit is made right. Now, for the first trial, we have to remove 2.5 ohms from the resistance box. The balancing length should be between 40 to 60 centimeter in the meter bridge. First, for the first trial, 2.5 ohms of resistance is removed. The balancing length is checked. As we can see, at 50 centimeter. At 50 centimeter, the galvanometer is showing 0 deflections. So the values are written. Resistance S in ohms is 2.5, and the balancing length is it is 50 centimeters. So we have to convert it into meter. It is 0.5 meter. We will do the calculations later. First, we will find out the values. For the second trial, we have to remove 2.6 ohms from the resistance box. Now the balancing length is checked. As we can see, at 48 centimeter, the galvanometer is showing 0 deflections. So, the resistance S in ohms is 2.6 ohms and the balancing length is 0.48 meter. Now, for the third trial, we will remove 2.7 ohms from the resistance box. And the balancing length is it is 48 centimeter. The galvanometer is showing 0 deflections at 48 centimeter. So, the resistance S in ohms is 2.7 ohms and the balancing length is 48 centimeter and it is 0.48 meter. Now, for the last trial, we have to remove 2.8 ohms from the resistance box. As we can see, at 48 centimeter, the galvanometer is showing 0 deflections. So, the value is resistance is 2.8 ohms and the balancing length is 48 centimeter. It is 0.48 meter. Now, the key should be removed or else the battery will be damaged. Now, let us do the calculations. Now, for the first trial, R is equal to S, that is 2.5 into L 0.5 divided by 1 minus 0.5 is equal to 2.5 into 0.5, it is 1.25 divided by 1 minus 0.5, it is 0.5, and the value of R for the first trial is 1.25 divided by 0.5. It is 2.5 ohms. Now, for the second trial, R is equal to S, the value of S is 2.6 into 0.48 divided by 1 minus 0.48 is equal to 2.6 into 0.48, it is 1.24 divided by 1 minus 0.48, it is 0.52, and the value of resistance R for the second trial is 1.24 divided by 0.52, it is 2.3 ohms. Now, for the third trial, the value of R is equal to 2.7 into 0.48 divided by 1 minus 0.48 is equal to 2.7 into 0.48, it is 1.29 divided by 1 minus 0.48, that is 1.29 divided by 1 minus 0.48, it is 0.52. So, the value of resistance for the third trial is 1.29 divided by 0.52, it is 2.4 ohms. So, the value of resistance for the fourth trial is R is equal to 2.8 into 0.48 divided by 1 minus 0.48 is equal to 2.8 into 0.48 is equal to 1.34 divided by 1 minus 0.48, it is 0.52. So, the value of resistance for the fourth trial is 1.34 divided by 0.52, it is 2.5 ohms. Now, the mean value of R is taken by adding all these 4 values and then dividing it by 4. It is 2.5 plus 2.3 plus 2.4 plus 2.5. It is 9.7. Now it is divided by 4. It is divided by 4 and the mean value of our resistance is 2.4 ohms. Now to find the resistivity of the material of the wire, the formula used is rho is equal to pi r square into capital R divided by capital L. The value of small r, radius of the experimental wire, is given here, and the length of the experimental wire is to be given. The radius of the experimental wire small r is equal to 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters, and the length of the experimental wire capital L is equal to 0.57 meter. Now let's do the calculations. The value of pi is 3.14 into r, 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square into r. The value of r is we just calculated, it is 2.4 divided by L, it is 0.57 is equal to 3.14 into 2.4 is 7.53 into 0.2 into 0.2 is 0.04 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 0.57. It is equal to 7.53 into 0.04. It is 0.3012 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 0.57. So the value of resistivity of the material of the wire is 0.3012 divided by 0.57. It is 0.528 to 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter. Now the result of this experiment is resistance of the material of the wire, resistance of the wire R is equal to 2.4 ohms, and resistivity of the material of the wire is rho is equal to 0.528 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter. I hope you all understood this experiment. Thank you.